Okay, Peter, this is shut off. This is a position that is shut off. There are two positions for shut off. This position and this position. It says zoo off. Now, this is how you ride the bike. Is on, and then this will be the reserve in case you get, if you run out of gas. You should always run the bike on the on position, like this, down, and then off is either towards the front or towards the back. There are two positions for the shut off. So to start the bike, you put the valve on, and I'll see you on the next clip.
You can keep going.
Yeah, okay. So now we got the ignition key here. We put the ignition, and we should then here is the starting pedal, and first gear is down on the shifter here. First gear is down. I'll show you on the other side. First gear is down, and then second, third, and fourth is up.